your tent.
Oh, you're never gonna believe what I'm working on in there, Ellie. Trust me, it'll be well worth the wait.
Well, you better hurry up because if Coach Rocco sees our tents, he's not gonna be too happy. Ah, Coach Rocco!
Ellie Sparkles, what is the meaning of all of this? It better not be an indoor campsite.
Well, kind of. You see, it's pouring rain outside, so Jimmy and I decided we're gonna take our 2 tents and go camping indoors, but we're gonna put everything back. I promise.
Well, I see 1 tent, but where's the other one?
Voila! My work is complete. And now may I present to you the most magnificent feat of modern architecture ever known to man. I give you... da-da-da-da-da-da, the castle! Jimmy's castle comes fully functional with 4 watchtowers, count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, a fully functional drawbridge, like so, and even a super special security system to keep out unwanted intruders. And don't let me forget the piece de resistance. What do you think?
Jimmy, is that the box we keep the gym equipment in? That's a good box, Jimmy.
Yeah, Jimmy, I thought we were gonna build our tents. You know, this castle looks like it might fall over in 10 minutes.
What are you talking about? This baby is significantly structured to be impossible to knock over. I think you just might be a little jealous.
Oh, hey, I'm not jealous, Jimmy. I'm just
think
saying
you might
that
be
you don't even have
because
a
I'm just
top
saying
of the
that a
castle
castle beats a tent any day. I mean,
Look at those two. Indoor camping. I told them they could play in their little tents as long as they don't step foot outside of that room. Because as soon as they do, it's chore time for everyone.
Hey, Jimmy, you there?
You called?
Listen, I was just thinking this indoor camping thing isn't gonna work out if we're arguing all day. So, rule number 1 for today is no arguing. You good with that?
Yeah, I guess I can agree to a truce. But do you have any ideas about something fun we could do? I'm getting a little cramped in here.
Oh, do I ever? Check this out.
You brought your roller skates?
Uh-huh. There's so much space to skate around here.
Awesome!
What about you?
Ooh, I've got something even better. Just wait.
Okay.
May I present to you castle basketball?
Wait, a basketball hoop? Coach Rocco is definitely gonna love that.
You sure will.
Oh, a basketball hoop in the house? Jimmy!
All right, looks like it's all done. Why don't you give it a test shot, Jimmy?
I thought you'd never ask. Time for the Jimmy Spin-a-Rooney.
Pass it over here. Give me a big thumbs up if you want to see the Ellie skating Spin-a-Rooney. Oh.
Don't worry, I'll go get it.
Is Coach Rocco anywhere to be found?
Nope, nowhere in sight.
Looking for something?
Coach Rocco, my ball!
Well, technically it's my ball. It crossed over to my side, so it's mine now.
Oh, but Coach Rocco, you know that's my favorite ball.
Well, you could come over and get it.
Ball?
Go ahead. Come and get it.
No! Don't! It's a trick! Coach Rocco wants you to cross the line because then it'll be chore time. Let's go.
Farewell, sweet basketball.
That's what you get for playing basketball in the house.
Ellie, are you awake in there?
Yeah, Jimmy, what's up?
Do you have any food? I'm starving.
I think I have some popcorn left.
Oh boy, popcorn, my favorite. Come to Papa. One piece. Ellie, don't you have anything else?
Nope, I think that's all I have. What's the matter, Jimmy? Your big old castle don't have a fridge inside?
Oh, very funny, Ellie, but this is serious. It's a food emergency. I have nothing left to eat, and we can't get to the kitchen because Coach Rocco's on guard. What are we gonna do? Think of something, Ellie. You're good at thinking.
Okay. I guess the only thing we can do is Sneak to the kitchen?
Brilliant. Brilliant. That's it. We'll sneak past Coach Rocco very quietly, and when he least suspects it, we'll stock up on food. You lead the way.
Okay, we gotta be super quiet.
Is he asleep? Oh, wait, hold on 1 second.
Okay, don't go overboard with the snacks. We good?
Wait, one more thing.
Oh, cookies!
Right.
What was that? Oh, what a shock. It came from you, Jimmy. All right, what did you spill this time? Well, whatever it was, it sounded very loud, so I'm sure it made a big mess. What do you have to say for yourself? Oh, nothing? How convenient. Well, you're gonna clean it up, mister. I'll go get you a broom. Stay right here. Here. Take this broom and sweep it up. What? You don't want to take this broom, Jimmy? Well, you're lucky to even get a broom. In my day, we didn't have brooms. We had to use our toothbrushes to brush everything up, and we only had one household. Hello there. How's it going?
Coach Rocco, good to see ya. Excuse me a moment. Ellie, code red, Coach Rocco alert.
Oh, hi, Coach Rocco. Oh, this is about the food. We can explain. Right, Jimmy?
Oh, yeah, about that food. The thing is,
Don't worry about the food. I come in peace. Actually, I brought a peace offering. Your basketball here.
Mr. Basketball, oh, I miss ya. I promise I'll never let Ellie do a spin-a-rooney again.
Coach, that's very nice of you, but what's the catch here? You gave Jimmy back his basketball, but you must want something in return.
Well, yes, I was thinking, can I please join your campsite? I mean, you two are just having so much fun, and I love camping, and it's raining outside.
So what about shore time then?
Of course, Coach, you can join us. There's plenty of room.
Oh, thank you. You won't regret it.
So does this mean shore time is over?
So, you ready for another camper, Jimmy?
Oh, yeah. And I brought my duster in case we run into any dust bunnies out here.
Dust bunnies?
Look at your busty, dusty castle.
It's
Needs a good
It's
dust.
pretty dusty.
It's supposed to be dusty. It's old and creepy and cool.
Just because we're camping doesn't mean we can't be cleaning. And look, I can play Roblox with you guys on my flip phone.
Oh, I don't know about that, Coach.
I'm winning.
That's a tiny screen.
No, that means I'm winning.
That's a snake game.
Oh, no, wait. I think I just called my mom. Oh, okay. All right. Hang that up. Hang that up. Hang that up.